Welcome to Brick Stuff. Today we're going to show you how to create this working Lego table football. First we're going to take a 6x8 base plate and a 2x6. Then we're going to build up on top of that with more base plates. But leaving two 1x2 areas at either end. Then we're going to flip that over and place some little studs to create the legs. Now, into these 1x2 recesses, we're going to place some sloping tiles, and this is where our table football is going to be caught. Now we're going to add some green tiles to our base to create the floor of the table football. Now we're going to simply build up around the edge here with some bricks to create the walls of the table football. To create the rods that hold our footballers, we're going to use some of these Technic pieces with the hole in the middle. We're going to be using 4 2x1s and 2 1x1s, and inside them we're going to place these little Technic pieces, and they will reduce the size of the hole. Then we're going to add these rods that have this little area here, which will stop it from going the whole way through. And as you can see, it's slightly loose, which means we can pull our footballers backwards and forwards as well as twisting them to play the game of football. Now, to create our footballers, we are using these little pieces with the claw on the end, but you can always substitute that with these or any other piece that has a claw that will grip to the rod. Just going to slide them along a bit. So as you can see, our footballers can move as they're playing. We're going to add our goalie on the 1x1 piece, and our striker. Now for our other team. As you can see, we've placed our rods with our footballers, alternating all the way along. Now we're just going to fill in the gaps around this layer. Now we're just going to finish the table off by adding some white tiles across the top. So for our ball, we're going to use this small ball bearing, which, as you can see, when it rolls or someone scores a goal, it falls into the catch area here. Alternately, you could use a small stud, but I don't think that's quite as effective. There we have our Lego table football, minifigure scale. Thanks for watching.